Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October the 10th, 2020, and we're down here in the Hollow Garden, and we're getting the ground all tilled up. For the fall here. And the garden pretty much got wiped out by the frost that we had. But we're getting out any weeds, any green stuff. We're not letting it in here. We're getting it out of here. Especially seed heads. We don't want any seed heads in here or anything like that. So just trying to get it cleaned up here for the fall time. Mikey found his spot he wants to lay, didn't you? Mikey. Sweeties. You're watching your mommy. Yeah, now you're looking at me. Hi. You like the nice tilled ground. So, these here will drop seed heads in the garden. We don't want that. We don't want the thistles. Ouch. Ooh. And I got a thistle. Went right through my glove. So we're just getting this thrown out here and getting this ground all cleaned out here. He's sinking as he's walking through the ground. No, sweetie, she can't lay there. You gotta move. Come on, let's go. Let's go. And the old potato patch. Now, we checked the pH of our soil. It's way too high. So we're going to be putting our sulfur here on it. And then your sulfur takes a while to bring the pH down. There's not like a quick way to bring your pH down. So we're hoping that, it can do this over the winter time for us. And we're going to be spreading it out here, and then we're going to be tilling it into the ground, so it'll have all winter to work. So we're getting it spread out here. You see the little pellets flying out of the little hopper thing. There we go. We're getting this spread out here. You can see it's falling on the ground here. And then this is all going to get tilled in. Pretty nice way to spread your stuff around. Okay, so this here is our winter wheat seeds here. And what we're going to do is we're going to plant this in here, and then in the springtime we're going to till it in to put nitrogen into the soil then. Now this will not come back up when we till it in the spring. So we're just getting this planted in here. This is going to be our cover crop. Cover crops can help to nurture and feed your soil. Can also help with soil erosion. So we're just going to get this here spread out here.
And also keep it fresh. Weeds.
And it can help with keeping the weeds and the grass down. Now, Mikey has decided that that's where he wants to lay at, so come on, sweeties.
Okay, we'll get that back.
We'll just walk around in here. See, we're getting it. Little spreader there is throwing everything out.
This stuff here is chicken. Very invasive, very hard to get rid of. It's very hard to get rid of. We don't use chemicals, so the only way you get it out is pull it out, or try to use a cover crop that might smother it. But this stuff will actually grow the whole way through the winter. So if you can get it out, it's good to do it because it will take over everything.
So we're going to go the whole way out through here then with this. So for the winter wheat, we went to the feed store and we got this. Now this is from this year's harvest from different farms and farmers around the area, and I think it was like $10 for, pardon? A 60-pound bag. So this would be really expensive if you tried to just get winter wheat from somewhere else. Now some of this does have a little bit of other seeds in with it, but you know, $10 for a 60-pound bag, that's pretty good. So the next step is to gently and lightly just rake it in just a little bit. You don't want to put it down deep. Now we're going to have a lot of rain tomorrow, so that's going to help it to settle in and start germinating for us. And there is an easier way to rake it in. If you find an old dead tree branch with a lot of branches on it, you can just kind of drag it behind you and walk through, and that'll also work to put your winter wheat seeds in. The very top of the garden up here, the soil is still really poor despite all of the grass clippings and compost, so we're putting more grass clippings on it, and then we're going to get it all tilled in. So my battery's dying on the camera here. We're going to get the grass up there tilled in, and we're going to finish raking in the winter wheat. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell us to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye.